guys, welcome back to AutoJacked. I'm going to be building a homemade ramp today using home materials. I didn't go to Home Depot to find materials for this ramp. I just grabbed what I had and I'm just going to put this thing together and show you guys how I do it. So right over here, got the 4 sticks of wood. For a bendy ramp material, I got this sheet right here. Got my toolbox, my LePage wood glue, and for my support I got the 2 blocks of cement. Guys, this ramp is going to be for our RC family here at AutoJacked. I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, hope you guys enjoy the video, and we really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm going to be showing you the final result looks like right now. So you got the tape structuring all the way down to the block on this side as well. And everyone has tape, so this is a pretty simple tool to use, very effective. Right across here, you can see how it supports. You can see how high the jump is from this perspective. The truck's gonna fly right off this thing, for sure. And it's a nice grit sheet. Nice and flat, sturdy. Good size too. You could probably go 3 trucks off this thing at once. Alright guys. More shots of the ramp. Alright guys, thank you.